Hi everyone, today I'm just going to tell you about in this video that how you can use Ome TV. So Ome TV is a platform for video streaming with stranger people like you do with the Omegle. So it is a very user-friendly application where you can interact with the stranger people and you can connect with many people from all around the world. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's see how you can use this Ome TV and what are the benefits of using this Ome TV. So first of all, you need to sign in this Ome TV application via Facebook or your Wiki account. It will redirect you to the Ome TV page. Before starting the chat, you need to read the rules and regulations. So scroll down a little and you will find the rules option. Read the rules carefully. Now click on start and you will be redirected to the home page. You can choose between the language, select the gender. Finally, start the chat by clicking on the start button. So remember, be polite and humble while talking to the people. I hope this video was helpful to you. So if you really want to stream and interact with the random people, you can use Ome TV as well, an alternative for the Omegle. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. If you want to watch more videos like this, you can click any videos out of them. I'll meet you in the next one.